Packing efficiently, a backpack can swallow a huge range of gears. Just lay out your gears at home and try out different packing routines and find what's best for you. But seriously, there is no one right way to pack. So today, we're gonna test out some packing techniques with our Dry Pack Pro Gold and how we're gonna use our Dry Bag 2-liter Lite in organizing our bag to maintain its balance, keep your gears dry, and make your hiking trip more enjoyable and more comfortable. I'm Summer, that's Cuba, try, test. What? For this episode, we're going to use the Dry Pack Pro Gold as our hiking bag and the Dry Bag Lite 2-liter as the organizer. The Dry Pack Pro Gold, the waterproof bag that is built for toughness and attitude. With a 30-liter capacity, Dry Pack Pro Gold is suitable for outdoor activities, made with IPX6 waterproof material and floats safely if dropped in the water. The roll top and side lock keeps the water away from the main compartment to keep your items dry and safe. For the organizer, we're going to use the Dry Bag Lite 2-liter. Made of lightweight nylon material, which can be stored in a very compact size and expanded to a full-size dry bag whenever in use. Keep this handy saver anywhere and use it as a dry bag or an inner compartment on any bag. What we have here is the essential for one night stay camping. When we pack our bag, we start from the bottom. A well-packed bag is going to feel a lot lighter than a poorly packed bag. So let's go ahead and load it up. For the middle part, the middle is a good spot to carry all those heavier, bulkier items because that's where they're going to feel the lightest on your bag. If you want to group the smaller items, use the Dry Bag Lite 2-liter. Gear stored in the Dry Bag Lite is more malleable and will conform better items adjacent to it. That brings us to the top of your bag. We keep the pole down the side on the inside of the bag, but you can always choose to strap them to the outside of the bag. The final things we keep on the outside of the bag are handphones, camera, and trail snacks. There you have it! Our Dry Pack Pro Gold passed the packing technique with a little help from the Dry Bag Lite 2-liter. One last comment though, once you have loaded all your gears into your hiking bag, please remember to tighten all your tensioning straps. The last thing you want is for your loose gear to move around, throwing off your balance. Remember, there is no one right way to pack. It all depends on what works for you. So what's your packing technique? Let us know down in the comments. Just like last time, if you're interested, check out the purchase link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified on our next Cuba Try Test. I'm Summer and see you again!